Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word gilly in depth. First, the definition. Gilly means an aquatic respiratory organ used by some animals for breathing underwater. Think of it simply as a biological snorkel that lets creatures breathe underwater. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Gilly traces back to a variant spelling of gill, first recorded in the 16th century, referring to fish respiratory organs. Over time, it's been used by scientists and aquarists. The word is carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use gilly in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The fish used its gilly to extract oxygen from the water while swimming. Correct example 2. The amphibian's gilly allowed it to survive in the pond. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to gilly my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using gilly correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Gilly means an aquatic respiratory organ. It comes from a variant spelling of gill, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with gilly down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.